We recently featured the BOA Travel Toiletry Kit on our channel. That was perfect for one person. Today, I want to show you a travel toiletry bag that's great for two people or for one person who likes to pack a little extra. Let's take a closer look at the BAGSMART Toiletry Kit. Hello, welcome. And for those returning to our channel, welcome back. We are Wayne Melissa Travel, a 50-plus couple sharing our adventures in budget travel. This bag has multiple compartments, including waterproof sections to keep your liquids separate. On our previous trip, we had something leak. It didn't get over everything. It was held to one compartment, so that is a very important feature to have. It holds everything from full-size shampoo bottles to travel-size essentials. It's a great choice for couples. It zips closed, but you can also unzip it and pack it flat, making it easy to fit in a carry-on or a checked bag. The sturdy handle makes it convenient to grab and go, whether you're flying, road tripping, or heading to an Airbnb. With waterproof compartments, this bag keeps spills contained, so you never have to worry about leaks in your luggage. Plus, the durable material ensures it holds up to trip after trip. Now for the fun part, let's pack the BAGSMART Toiletry Kit. You can see it has a front zippered compartment that's great to put vitamins or contacts or last minute items. It also comes with this fantastic swivel hook. You can hang it from the shower door, you can hang it from hooks, and I will show you later how I travel with a suction cup hook that I hang it from when I'm traveling. See all the multiple compartments, and they all zip closed. Fantastic for travel, and it's great for Wayne and I when we travel together. We share this bag. Typically, I pick out one compartment that's his and the others are mine because he travels fairly minimally. One travel tip I have for you is if you are traveling internationally and you're going through London Heathrow, they're a little more strict on the liquid bag. When we are coming back through London Heathrow, we will pack all of our liquids in a separate plastic bag. That bag still goes into the BAGSMART bag, but it just makes it easier to pull all the liquids out because it's all contained in one bag. This is that suction hook I was telling you about, and I will show you how I use that later. This is a dual voltage curling brush. I just wanted to give a shout out to that because it saved me when we were traveling the last time. It worked so well. It takes up very minimal room. It's dual voltage, so I didn't have to pack a converter for that one. I just used my converter plug. I didn't have to convert the voltage. I have a question for the ladies. How do you deal with your hair when you are traveling? Do you put it up in a ball cap? Do you put it in a ponytail? Do you just let it air dry? Please help me out. Put some ideas for me in the comments. I would truly appreciate all the help I could get. This little washcloth, I picked these up at Dollar Tree. They're in the child section, but a lot of places that you travel in the world don't have washcloths. It's just not part of their culture, so I like to take one with me. This bag holds so much. We didn't even use all of the space in this bag, and it was great to have extra space, especially when you come home, because you always end up having more when you come home than you left with. This is my makeup kit. I keep it in a separate little pouch because sometimes I'll pull it out and put it in my personal item or in my daily carry bag. But then when I'm traveling, I usually will put it in this big cosmetic bag because I have the space. I love this Old Spice deodorant only because it's small, but on our last trip, the deodorant, it like broke up into little pieces. I was so bummed. In the summer, I like to travel with spray deodorant because it's cool and it's refreshing. In the winter, I like to travel with stick deodorant because it's not as shocking to my system as a spray deodorant. What do you guys use? I've noticed a lot of hotels and Airbnbs and things like that have glass shower doors, and this works so well because you are able to use a suction cup hook and use that to hang your toiletry bag because, as you know, bathrooms are so hard to find space to hang things on. So any vertical space I can claim, I will do it. So get you a suction cup hook. If you need a toiletry bag that's big enough for two, budget friendly, and easy to pack, this BAGSMART Toiletry Kit is a real winner. Don't forget to leave those suggestions for me down in the comments. We appreciate you sticking with us to the end of this video. We share travel tips, packing videos, and tools for navigating the points and miles ecosystem. If this interests you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. Have a great day, and we will see you next time.